This is a little bit of the spring melt coming down just east of Donner Pass, off of Donner Pass Road, old Highway 40. And just trying to give you a quick look of this glaciated area with polished granite from the glacial activity, and looking up towards the China Wall. Instead of a wooden trestle, Chinese were ordered to construct a linear version of the China Wall from the old country. But all along this granite here are Indian petroglyphs. Let's go up and take a quick look. It's a little tricky. There's a little bit of high water, trying to get through the weeds and the brush. You can see the smooth granite. And we're coming up to this interpretive plaque that was installed here a few years ago. That's instructive of the kinds of petroglyphs that you can see in this granite here. Let's take a closer look. I don't know how well you can see them, and then here's some of the granite. See how smooth it is. It's kind of hard to tell with some of these inscriptions and petroglyphs whether they were left by Indians thousands or hundreds of years ago, or by some of our indigenous high school students showing their creativity and imagination. And looking up to the China Wall, up there, this area over here that's dark to the left is very popular for top rope climbing, and also some lead climbing too. So that's short pitches, but very challenging in some locations. And there we are looking up to Donner Pass Road. Cars are coming down heading east to Donner Lake.